Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Amit Devkure. I'm a life balance coach, master spirit life coach, executive leadership coach, emotion intelligence practitioner, and I'm a Nobel nominee. I'm a musician too. Uh, yeah, this week I've come up with something very interesting. I'll give you an example. For last 2 weeks, I've been posting, videos about communication. Now, if this week I wouldn't have posted anything, what you would have said? Just think about it. This is a question. I'm leaving it up to you. Okay? And the question directs or indicates that there is no follow up video, right? So, follow up is very important in communication. I always say that follow up is like getting habituated to something where consistency and discipline are playing an integral role. So, follow up has to be very consistent and it should be in a disciplined manner. I'll give you one example how the follow up has to be. And there is one song, हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए. The follow-up has to be so strategic that there is no space that you are living in between when two parties are communicating with each other. So it's a key factor behind every successful communication. And there is another very important song where I would say that in follow-up what shouldn't be there. And if you would ask me, then तुमको भी है खबर, हमको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता. So the communication, or in communication, if we want to have a good follow-up, then there shouldn't be, or you shouldn't part ways like this. You should have a very smooth communication. That is what is needed, and it is very important, it is vital. So this is what it is. So thank you so much, and next week I'll come up with something very interesting. So this is Dr. Amit Devkure. I'm a life balance coach, master spirit life coach, executive leadership coach, and I'm a Nobel nominee. So again, next week I'm going to come up with something interesting. Every time I'm going to have a different situation or location where I'm going to come up with this video. So thank you so much, and have a great time with your communication process. Be a good communicator always, and the way I said, be great, be kind, because you have that fantastic authority which nobody can snatch away from you. Thank you so much, and see you. Bye.